Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a short video on the role of queries and transformation in the ingestion phase. So let's get started. So before we dive into what queries and transformations are, let us have a quick recap of the ingestion phase. So what is ingestion? Data ingestion. It is the process of moving data from the source to the storage devices. So at the early stages in the ingestion phase, data is just moved, copied and stored. Now, once the data is stored, we have two tools that we use to understand and modify the data which we have. They are queries and transformations. So we're going to go over these two tools in this video. First up is queries. So queries are mainly used in SQL on OLAP systems. Wondering what OLAP is? The full form of OLAP is Online Application Processing Systems. So queries allows us to access, retrieve and shape the data. So these are actually the tools that are used to understand the data which we have. Now let us look at what the queries tool enables us, or the powers that it gives us to do. So it allows us to select, filter and join raw stage data, apply business logic using DDL, DML, DCL, select, insert, update, delete operations, optimize using query optimizers and join strategies, analyze using explain plans. So explain plans typically shows us how the queries are processed. So now that we have looked over queries, now let's go to transformations. So the role of transformation is simple. It's used to change the data. So this involves taking raw ingredients and converting into something useful like ML insights. So transformation can be said as making data useful and consistent. So in this, using this tool, we perform operations like cleaning, structuring the data, and making the data ready for consumption. So now let us see what transformation enables us to do. So it allows us to clean and normalize messy data, aggregate for faster consumption, featureize for machine learning. So featureize, feature engineering for machine learning, build intermediate tables and unify data. So tables are representation of data during transformations and analyzing of data. We use tables. So building intermediate tables for better understanding of the data and discoveries. Orchestrate batch or streaming pipelines. Another important point is the unified data view. So transformations ensure everyone downstream sees the data as one consistent unified entity. So data is collected from various sources and having various formats and structures, but transformation allows us to make the data in a unified format so that the people downstream like machine learning, like ML engineers and data scientists, do not have to worry about the various formats and the structures. So their work becomes easy and it leads to an efficient and faster outcome. So let's just have a quick comparison of both the tools. Queries is retrieving, filtering, join ingested data, whereas transformation is cleaning, modifying and giving the data a structure. So queries is understanding the data and transformation is making changes to the data and performing other various operations for a particular outcome. So now let's look at the downstream dependencies. So both queries and transformations prepare data for dashboards, business logic, machine learning pipelines and reporting. So dashboards are like a visual representation of data, and business logic which helps with decision making, and machine learning pipelines model training and inference, and reporting is for executive insights. So what are the key takeaways from this video? Queries let you inspect the data and transformations prepare it for the real world. In this video we have covered the two tools, and we have also looked at what they enable us to do and the various operations that we can perform on the data which was ingested. So that's it for this video. I hope that the concept is clear now. And if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.